मंच पर विराजमान वरिष्ठ अधिकारीगण, विशिष्ट अतिथिगण, उपस्थित प्रतिभागी, प्रेस एवं मीडिया के सदस्य, देवियों और सज्जनों, टॉप नॉच फाउंडेशन द्वारा आयोजित अटल सम्मान समारोह 2026 में आप सभी का हार्दिक स्वागत है।
Task shifting. Task shifting means that you can have a MBBS doctor in India work to the top of their license with the help of our artificial intelligence to where they can work to the level of a cardiologist in the rural areas and underserved areas as well. Next, please. So you'll see here the BioChest is clinical grade. It has artificial intelligence decision support, rural viability, has adequate task shifting and scalable for the entire country of India.
We are now, I think, more and more into non-communicable diseases, which, why are they increasing? Is it we are diagnosing better, or is the patient load more, or is it any other new risk factors which has come in? Yes, all three together are non-communicable diseases have come, which have completely taken over all the morbidities and mortalities.
I do some decent business. Now we have customers in Africa, Middle East, and US. And uniquely, we don't have any customers in India. We decided to go out of India and see and explore. We do digital engineering services. Basically, we help organizations get better ROI on the technology. We help them adopt some of the new technologies like AI, analytics, and other things, more from a business perspective, how it can help them solve their business problems.
Myself, Mayur Shenkar, founder and director of MS Ideal Visum India Private Limited. We are a 15-year young company providing visa, attestation, FRRO, and India visa for foreigners coming to India. So we process more than 5 lakh visas a year. Our major clients like B2B, SODC, MEIL, and many more corporates and agents pan India. So once again, signing off, Mayur Shenkar from MS Ideal. Jai Hind.
And easily available tool by which we can detect the composite risk of the heart. So it takes the renal biomarkers, neurological biomarkers, blood biomarkers, radiomics. So we are a world-renowned company in the area of artificial intelligence. I personally have over 400 AI papers since when it started AI with MIT, Dr. Poggio. So now we have still not left, and we are operating in transformers and Gen AIs and attentions and fusion of these models to create and extract the best features to lead to the prediction of the disease. That's what we do. So we are AI game player. Every paper which comes on AI comes to my desk. Long story short, the AI is the world, and India is a great place to nurture this because India is a diabetic country.
So we are into this from last 15 years, providing our services not only in India, but also abroad, having our subsidiaries in Kenya and Dubai. And we are a certain empaneled organization, almost protected NHAI, AIMS, and so many government organizations provided more than 5,000 plus certification as a STH to host and to empower all government products and services.
खड़े होकर बेस्ट वाटर ट्रीटमेंट कंपनी ऑफ द ईयर सम्मान को प्राप्त करना मेरे लिए, मेरी टीम के लिए और हमारे उस ऑपरेटर के लिए गर्व का विषय है, जो दिन रात जल संरक्षण और पर्यावरण सुरक्षा के लिए काम कर रहे हैं। एपी एनवायरनमेंट की स्थापना किसी व्यापारिक लाभ से पहले एक सोच के साथ हुई थी। जल बचेगा तभी तो कल बचेगा। और आज मैं बिजनेस की बात करने नहीं आया हूँ, यहाँ पे पर्यावरण के लिए सपोर्ट प्राप्त करने के लिए आया हूँ। पानी सिर्फ संसाधन नहीं, जीवन की जिम्मेदारी है। पर्यावरण हमारा दायित्व है। जब औद्योगिक विकास, शहरीकरण, जल प्रदूषण, वायु प्रदूषण तेजी से बढ़ रहा है, तब एसटीपी, ईटीपी, वाटर रिसाइकलिंग, जीरो लिक्विड डिस्चार्ज जैसे समाधान केवल तकनीकी नहीं बल्कि भविष्य की आवश्यकता बन चुके हैं।
We now welcome our guest of honor, Shri Ajay Ajmera ji, founder Ajmera Fashion. We now welcome our guest of honor, Dr. Joshan Ranjit. Mr. Sumit from Top Notch welcoming Mr. Amol Garad. And now I request Mr. Joshan Ranjit to present his book, Ankratiya, to all the esteemed dignitaries. Excellence in Innovative Healthcare, and the award goes to Dr. Kevin. Categories Most Inspiring Young Personality in Green Energy Business Leadership and Nation Building, and the award goes to Mr. Yash Gupta, Director, GIMS Energy Private Limited. Most Renowned Healthcare Leader in South India, and the award goes to Dr. David J. Chelly. Most Trusted Construction Company of the Year, and the award goes to ANF Constructions Private Limited, Sri Mahinder Sharma, Managing Director. E-Learning Innovation Excellence in Skill Development and Vocational Training in India, and the award is backed by Indian Institute of Skill Development Training, Mr. Rahul Sharma, Director and Director Meenakshi Sharma. Most Inspiring Personality in Real Estate Management Leadership and Nation Building goes to Dr. Naba Kumar Haldar, Group Head IQA and EHS, EC Member I Bharti Real Estate. Is Most Influential Personality in Financial Management goes to Mr. Aditya Chauhan. Most Emerging Cloud and Data Center Managed Service Provider goes to Mr. Anubhav Dhingra. From Sutantra System Private Limited, he is the co-founder, Mr. Anubhav. Moving forward to Best School in Advanced Facilities and Activity-Based Learning, it goes to Priyadarshini Group of Schools, Dr. Rajendra Singh, Trustee at Aventurine Homes. Most Inspiring Change Maker in Modern School Education, it also goes to Dr. Rajendra Singh. Up next is Outstanding Contribution in the Field of Finance, Entrepreneurship and Nation Building goes to Mr. Anish Maheshwari. Most Trusted IT Solution Provider Company of the Year, Mr. Raghuram Gopalan, CEO and Founder, Trust Now Technologies. Most Innovative Real Estate Developer of the Year goes to Connoisseur Developers Private Limited, Mr. Amit Kumar Jha, Director, Connoisseur. Is for the Most Interested Visa Service Provider in India, goes to Messrs. Ideal Wisdom India Private Limited, Mr. Mayur Bhaskar Shendkar. Most Trusted Education Consultancy of the Year, and it goes to Alpha Education Consultancy, Mr. Sanjeev Venugopal, Darak Director. Most Excellent Steel Fabrication and Manufacturing Company of the Year, which goes to Apex Buildings Limited, Mr. Pankaj Agarwal. Most Trusted Real Estate Consultant in Bangalore, India, goes to Adventurine Homes, Mr. Amitesh Chand, Director. India's world first clinically tested Ayurvedic medicine and cancer support goes to Health Reactive Body Revival, Mr. Saroj Khan, Founder. From Health Reactive Body Revival. Visionary Leadership in Healthcare Engineering and Artificial Intelligence, and the award goes to Dr. Jasjeet S. Suri, Chairman and CEO at TheraPoint, California, USA. We also listened to him. Dr. Jasjeet Singh. Most Innovative School of the Year, it goes to Satluj Public School, Mr. Gur K. Sarai, to please join us on stage from Satluj. Is leading global architecture design studio transforming commercial and manufacturing spaces in India, and the award goes to Mindscape Design, Mr. Hiten Patel, Sonal Patel, Molly Gaur and Premal Raninga from Mindscape. Best Boutique Investment Banking Firm of the Year, and it goes to Sandesha Global Ventures LLP, Dr. Sheshadri V. Iyer, Founder and Managing Partner. From Sandesha Global Ventures. Executive Leadership Award for Strategic Growth and Global Expansion, and it goes to Dr. Jitendra Singh, Managing Director, Heinrich Limited. Best Cyber Security Company of the Year goes to Triatis Technologies, Mr. Deepak Kumar Nath, MD and CEO. Most Inspiring Personality in Education, Industry and Nation Building, and the award goes to Sri Himanshu Jain, Chairman, Prestige Institute of Management and Research, Bhopal. Top Regional Eastern India PVC Pipe and Sanitary Solutions Company, and the award is backed by Shiva Polytubes Private Limited, Mr. Sanchit Agarwal, Director, Shiva Polytubes Private Limited. For Best Water Treatment Company of the Year, and it goes to AP Environment Private Limited, India, Mr. Anup Pandey, Founder and CEO, AP Environment. Most Inspiring Digital Marketer of the Year, it goes to Mr. Jahid Ahmed. Best Makeup Artist and Makeup Educator of the Year, Mrs. Varsha Setia. Best Corporate Business Advisory Firm of the Year, and it goes to Mr. Manish Chaturvedi, Founder and MD, Indus Strategy. Our next award is for Transformational Leader of the Year, and it goes to Mr. Ramesh Kunnath. India's #1 chain of offline and online fashion design institute, and it goes to talented Ritu Insan, Founder Mrs. Ritu Rani. Most Trusted Law Firm of the Year, and it goes to Sharma & Sharma Advocates and Legal Consultants LLP, Advocate Siddharth Sharma. Up next, Most Trusted Maritime Solution Provider of the Year goes to JWB International Private Limited, Captain Baljinder Singh, Founder JWB International Private Limited. IT and Telecom Technology Company of the Year goes to Simfinity, a product by Seacast Harbour Limited UK, Mr. Avinash Jha, Mr. Ishwinder Siali. Our next award is for Most Trusted Engineering Company of the Year, and it goes to Global Engineers Limited, Mr. GM Gupta, Chairman, Mr. Vivek Gupta, MD. Most Inspiring Personality in Financial Management, Leadership and Nation Building goes to Dr. Devanath Mukhopadhyay. Most Inspiring Young Woman Personality in Real Estate Business Leadership, and it goes to Ms. Nilofar Khan, Director at Pink Bees Private Limited. India's Most Trusted Real Estate Company of the Year, and the award goes to J. Joshi Infra Projects Private Limited, Dr. Jignesh Joshi, Director, J. Joshi Infra Projects Private Limited. Most Trusted Brand of the Year for Packaging and Logistics Solution, and it goes to Geosport Packing Logistic India Private Limited, Mr. Alok Pandey, Managing Director, India, Mr. Lars Nenhaus, Member of Executive Board, COO and CTO. Our next award is for Excellence in Vedic Numerology and Vastu Shastra Expert Award of the Year goes to Ms. Manya Adlakha. And Dr. Sandeep Sharma, Pro VC from Sikkim Skill University, Sikkim, Namthang, most renowned skill-based university in Sikkim. Emerging Multidisciplinary University of Excellence, Northeast India goes to Asian International University, Imphal, West Manipur, Mr. Anil Singh, CEO, and Vicky Singh, which is Most Influential Leader in Financial Empowerment, Nation Development. Please give it up for Mr. Rajesh Deshpande. Most Emerging Tax Advisory Firm in Delhi NCR goes to Tax Crafted Solutions OPC Private Limited, Mr. Sachin Jha, Founder, Tax Crafted. Most Trusted Vascular and Endovascular Surgeon in JNK goes to Dr. Nadeem Niaz Jain, Chairman and Founding Director, Varicose and Mo Private Limited, National President for Health and Global Human Rights Trust of India. Our next award is for Emerging Leader in Healthcare, Operational Finance and Management goes to Dr. Siddharth Jain, Vice President, Metro Group of Hospitals. Most Trusted Private Investigation Agency of the Year, RMR Detective Services and Solutions, Mr. Raman Kumar, Managing Director, Ms. Juhi Podar, Director. Standing Mentor of the Year, Hospitality Project, and it goes to Mr. Dhanesh Bhardwaj from MRICS, MRICS. Forward to our next category, which is Revolutionizing Health, Wellness and Beauty with Premium Collagen Peptides Worldwide, and it goes to Amar Aquatic, a unit of Amar Polyfills Private Limited, Dr. Uday Raj Mishra, Director. HTL Infotech, Mr. Yogesh Quatra, founder and CEO, for award for excellence in performance, marketing and business growth. Our next award is for best e-commerce logistics solution provided in India. It goes to Ship Cruise Technologies Private Limited, Mr. Kaushal Sharma, founder and CEO from Ship Cruise. Best Natural Skin Brand of the Year, Skincare Brand of the Year, Flower Organics, Miss Sia Manisha Sharma, founder Flower Organics. Goes to Top Premium Wedding Planner of the Year, goes to Prerna Events and Wedding Planners India, Mr. Harsh Verma, founder Prerna Events and Wedding Planners. Mr. Sagar Azad also to kindly come on stage. Sagar Azad. Man of the Year 2026 Pharmaceuticals and Healthcare, Shri Sandeep Jain, founder and managing director. Most Trusted Infertility Clinic of the Year, Dr. Sandeep Saroj. Dr. Rohit Rajiv Agarwal, Most Reliable and Stylish Modular Kitchen.
Luxurious living, according to me as an architect, would be a selfie experience to my clients.
I think people are more cautious about air quality. They are very cautious about the sustainable material, not only the feasible factor of the luxury, but even the low on maintenance material, sustainable material, green material.
It has to be very low maintenance. Also, if it is a bungalow or if it is a project, it has a lot of amenities.
We create a lot of inside-outside spaces, getting, if you're doing a small flat or a big flat or a big house, creating natural sunlight, air quality index like using a fresh air systems or exhaust system or forced ventilations to make sure that the people are close to the nature.
Being an interior designer, we have to also see which are more environmental free products. So we give them more options. And initially it was very difficult for us to, convince our clients. But now with, I think the status we have in our market, I think it's very little easier for us to make them understand that this is more sustainable also. So let's go for it.
It's a very proud and humbling moment for us at TrustNow for being recognized as Most Trusted IT Solutions Provider of the Year. We are one of the fastest growing startup companies. We are bootstrapped and we are profitable from day one. This year, our revenue growth will be in excess of 150%. We have our customers in India, Middle East, Africa, and also in US. We are very thankful and full of gratitude to our customers who has kept their trust with us. I would like to thank my team, to whom this award rightfully belongs. If I appear tall here, it's because I'm standing in the shoulders of my team.
We feel very proud and very encouraged. We are carrying this legacy which we have received from our grandfather. He's the one who started the company, and now we two brothers are carrying this legacy. It's a great feeling.
So after getting this award, I'm feeling proud, and I would like to thank you, this Top Notch Foundation, and especially because the award name itself belongs to our reputed Prime Minister Atal Bihari Vajpayee ji. Remembrance of his birthday, this award celebration is happening.
We are just interested to get in the name of Atal, and we the role model of Atal ji, that we have done the very fantastic work in the past of histories. So we really inspired for that, and for the architects, like we have a good platform to can generate a good such kind of awards for the green building and sustainable architectures in the world as well.
बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है, प्राउड फील कर रहा हूँ. ये अवार्ड मेरी टीम, मेरे ऑपरेटर्स, मेरे इंजीनियर्स को समर्पित है. उन्हीं के लिए काम करता हूँ और पर्यावरण के लिए मेरा काम है. पर्यावरण को समर्पित है. जल संरक्षण, वायु संरक्षण के लिए हम लोग काम करते हैं. हमारी कंपनी ऑल ओवर इंडिया, पैन इंडिया काम कराती है STP, ETP, WTP, जीरो लिक्विड डिस्चार्ज प्लांट पे.
It's really good. Like, award is kind of motivation, It's a fuel to motivate yourself to achieve heights.
So this is, I really thank Universe for giving me this opportunity to get the award also, and I'm really feeling very excited, very happy. Thank you.
पोएट्री के माध्यम से भारत की सोच, संवेदना और संस्कृति को विश्व मंच पर गरिमा के साथ प्रस्तुत करने के लिए हमें गौरव है अटल सम्मान पोएट ऑफ कल्चरल डिप्लोमेसी से मिस्टर वसंत चौधरी जी को सम्मानित करते हुए।